What's up YouTube, it's your boy James back with another video. And today I have the Air Jordan 1 Low in the Black Medium Grey Colorway, or some people are calling it the Shadow 3.0. Now I believe that this is going to be an early review for you guys. This may have dropped over in other parts of the world like the UK, but currently I do not believe that this sneaker has dropped in America. So in today's video what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a full detail review, then you know your boy's going to hit you with it on feet. And we start right now. I would like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you guys so much for once again taking time out of your day to stop here and watch one of my videos. I appreciate you guys so much. We recently just passed 1,900 subscribers. We're on that road to 2K, and I recently just celebrated 1 year on YouTube, so I want to thank you all who made this all possible and made my first year on YouTube a success. Thank you guys so much. So let's jump right into the review, guys, and I got this Air Jordan 1 Low Shadow 3.0 right here. Bam! And I was a major fan of the Jordan 1 Low Shadows that came out in 2020. I put a lot of miles on that sneaker. And when I saw that this was coming out, I actually picked this up on GOAT for like, I think it was like $135. It really wasn't that bad. The retail on this is $100. So when I saw that this was coming out, you know, this was definitely on my radar, something that I had to pick up. So right here we have the Air Jordan 1 Low, and the official colorway is black, particle gray, white, and this is a personal pair, size 8. Now, like I said, I did purchase this from GOAT, and here you have your GOAT certified quality control and authentication right there. And you got a GOAT sticker as well. Now, when you open up the lid, you do have the white tissue paper with the gold 23 like you have on pretty much every Air Jordan 1 Low. And let's take our first look at this sneaker right here. And bam! Straight out of the box, this sneaker, this is very, very, very clean. I'm a big fan of all of the Air Jordan 1 Lows that have, you know, the black and the gray colorway, and even the, you know, like the OG high shadows and even the Shadow 2.0s that just came out. Major fan of that. Anything with this colorway, you know, they match a lot of clothes very, very nicely. You can put a lot of outfits together with this. So, you know what I mean? Just picking this up for, you know, $100 retail, even a little bit over, really isn't that bad. Now, right here, this is the 2020 pair that came out. And right now, the resale market for this, brand new, is like $275, $300 for this sneaker. And, you know, this is the new one right here. It's basically the same. I mean, if you have this one and it's in good condition, you know, you really don't need this one. The only real difference here is the toe box on the new pair is white and the tongue is black, and on the 2020 version the tongue is gray and the toe box is gray. Now this actually did come with black laces just like this pair, but I put white laces on it. But I put so many miles on this that I gotta retire it. And I normally don't beat up sneakers like that, but I really just like this colorway so much that I wore it all the time. Now the materials on this 2021 Shadow 3.0, it's just your basic general release Jordan 1 Low material. So what normally comes on them is what you're going to get on here. There's nothing special or great about it. You do get the black synthetic leather up here, you know, down the eyelets. You do get this white synthetic panel right there with the gray Nike swoosh in the center. You know, and then you do get that black leather that wraps around the entire front toe box. And then right here on the front toe box, it's going to be white, and you got that perforated holes. And, you know, it's hard, guys. You know, it's not soft. You know what I'm saying? Nothing special, nothing crazy. This sneaker is only $100 retail, so you do get an all-white rubber midsole right there. On the bottom of the sneaker, you will get that classic Air Jordan 1 design right there. And on the back of the sneaker, like most Jordan 1 Lows, you're going to get that Jordan Wings logo that is stitched to the back of the sneaker. Now, on the tongue, you will get a black nylon tongue with the gray Jumpman right there. Comes with black laces. Then you will get a lace loop right there with the 23 in black. Now inside of the sneaker, you will get the gray sock liner, and then you're going to get a black insole inside the sneaker with the Jordan Jumpman in gray. Once again, guys, nothing special about it. No extra laces or anything like that come with this sneaker. So You know, it's basically for people who like colorways like this, or, you know, maybe you just collect Jordan 1 lows. I buy a lot of Jordan 1 lows. If the colorway's popping, I'm copping. So that's how I felt about this sneaker right here. So now that we got these sneakers out of the box and we looked at the materials and did the review, let me show you what they look like on feet. And I really do think that this is a great summer sneaker as well. So if you don't have something like this in your collection, you know, I would definitely keep an eye out for retailers, you know, Nike.com. Hibbett seems to get a lot of Jordan 1 lows before anybody else. Just retailers like that, you know what I mean? $100, this is definitely worth $100. Now, whenever it comes to sizing, definitely go true to size. So whatever size you typically normally wear in an Air Jordan 1, that's what you're going to want to pick up here. I wouldn't go up or down or alter in any way. I always pick up a size 8. That's what I picked up here. It fits me perfectly, and I have no complaints. So definitely go true to size. But I want to know what you think about this Jordan 1 low. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Is this dope? Or is this trash? Comment down below and let me know what you think. I would like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching this video. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, please hit that like button for your boy. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.